Hello, this is VJ from Moovetrax.com again. We are testing our smoke detector in our Turo rental. We are a power host on Turo, an all-star host slash power host. So we have a good idea of what would be acceptable and not acceptable to the customer. So the way we installed it is that you can barely tell it's there. There's a little tiny hole, and the smoke detector is sticking out through that hole. The smoke detector connects to the existing Moovetrax system. You do not need a new system if you already have a Moovetrax system. This is a $30 edition, and your installer just connects it to the purple wire. Having the purple wire detects if there is smoke or no smoke. When it comes to the different types of smoke, we do not yet have an answer if we can detect if it's smoke from weed or cigarettes, but it's something we'll be monitoring. We'll be getting different voltage for every type of smoke. Um, Another question, one of the questions I've been getting a lot is, do I need a Faraday bag? And the answer to that is no, you do not need a Faraday bag when using Moovetrax. Um, if you can see here, on top of the dash is the keys for this car. Um, just to prove to you it's the keys, I will do unlock, lock, unlock, and I'm dropping the keys right on top of the seat. Now I go to the white Pacifica, control, lock. Today it's taken a couple of seconds, but it's locked. Control, unlock, unlock. Again, let me put the keys more visible here. Your keys are on the door handle. Control, lock. And it's locked again. We will, we should have the smoke detector sorted out within another week or two. And once we have it sorted out, we will be listing it on eBay as an addition to Moovetrax. Or you can just buy them both together, and there will be instructions of how to hook it up. We should know within today whether it's detecting what we're expecting it to detect. Um, we have a cigarette lighting in here, and I will be moving the cigarette closer to where the driver usually sits. Again, Moovetrax.com, Moovetrax.com. Thank you.